So over here, you can see that I am logged into my Terabox account right here, just like this. If I want to go ahead and log out, then all I need to do is click on my profile icon right here and then click on logout right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that I'm logged out of my Terabox account right here. So now it's not syncing onto my account anymore. So if I were to go around over here onto the Terabox icon and click, then this is what I have right here. So now I can simply go ahead and log back in right here, just like this, by entering out my username and password right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around over here, add in the correct password, press enter to go ahead and log in right here. And then it'll resume out the syncing and everything else as per my account setting. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and unlink or log out your Terabox account by actually going around over here onto the taskbar and by right clicking on Terabox. So here what you can simply do is you can go ahead and click on switch account, and then it'll be logged out and you'll be able to log back in again right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and unlink out account inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.